Let's take a look at adding list elements in the editor. Our friends Destiny and Cold loved their birthday cards so much that I think it would be a good idea to use the same template to make a Mother's Day card to give to my mom this year. Let's update that card to fit this new purpose. We have our birthday card here, and we'd like to update some values in the list to reflect the new Mother's Day card we want to make. We want our card to say, Happy 35th Mother's Day, Mama. So first we'll need to change our number saved inside index 1 in our list. We can do this by simply writing message at 1 equals 35. We also want to change the word birthday in the list to say mothers. So we can write message at 2 equals mothers. Let's see how it looks. Okay, we're off to a good start. After mothers, we want it to say day. So let's use our insert method to add a new item here. We can write message.insert. And to use this method, we need to know the index of where we want this new item in the list. Happy is at index 0, 35 is at index 1, mothers is at index 2. So I want this new item to go at index 3. And I want it to be day. Let's see if that worked. Awesome. I want to update the name to be Mama instead of Destiny. So I'll add message at -1 equals Mama. I'll also need to add another call to the write item function in order to add this additional item to the canvas. So I'll set y to -125, and then I'll write the item, which is message at 4. Let's see how it works. Oh, have to make sure I spell everything right. Perfect. Now I want to sign the card with my name and all my siblings' names. I can use the append method to add the sign off love by writing message.append love. And I want to add all 4 of our names to the end of the list. So instead of adding them each one by one, let's use the extend method. I can write message.extend and I'll add in a list of my name and all of my siblings' names. To make these last values show up on my card, I'll add another call to write item function. So I'll set y to -175, and then I'll write item message at 5, which is the word love, and I want all the next items to be concatenated with this one. So I'll add plus a comma plus message at 6, which is my name, plus a comma plus message at 7 plus a comma Does that work? Perfect. Now it's your turn to add list elements in some Tracy exercises.